Thank you, Sarah. Well, this morning, a tragic collision between a regional American Airlines passenger plane and a military chopper overnight near Washington, D.C. has triggered a massive search and rescue effort. Both aircraft were transporting roughly 67 people at the time. CBS News has learned that at least 19 people have died. CBS News' Natalie Brand is in Washington with more on what we know so far. And we do want to warn you that some of the video you're about to see may be disturbing.
EarthCam video shows the moment a commercial passenger jet and an Army helicopter collided in midair just before 9 p.m. near Washington, D.C.'s Reagan National Airport.
Both the helicopter and the plane crashed in the river.
Now, a frantic search for any survivors in the frigid waters of the Potomac River.
It's a highly complex operation. The conditions out there are extremely rough for the responders. It's cold.
American Airlines says Flight 5342, operated by PSA Airlines from Wichita, Kansas, was approaching the airport with 60 passengers and 4 crew members on board.
I know that flight. I've flown it many times myself, so this is a very personal circumstance.
This man told a local CBS News affiliate that he believes his wife was on the plane returning from a business trip.
She texted me that they were landing in 20 minutes. The rest of my text didn't get delivered. That's when I realized something might be up.
The Army says the Black Hawk helicopter involved, similar to this one, was on a training flight with 3 service members on board.
In a statement, President Donald Trump said he's monitoring the situation. On social media, he also questioned the actions of the helicopter and air traffic control prior to the collision.
I know the president is incredibly concerned about what's happened here today. I'm sure we'll continue to hear more from him.
Multiple agencies are investigating the incident, including the Pentagon, FBI, Federal Aviation Administration, with the National Transportation Safety Board taking the lead. Natalie Brand, CBS News, Washington.
Dive teams at the crash site appear to have found at least one of the plane's 2 so-called black boxes, as well as pieces of passengers' luggage. And U.S. Figure Skating says several of its team members were on that flight, returning from a training camp, and that includes athletes, coaches, and family members. Now, the CEO of American Airlines has expressed deep sorrows over the incident and says his company will cooperate with the investigation. Texas Senator Ted Cruz released the following statement on X last night, saying, quote, "I am closely monitoring the situation at DCA." He goes on to say that he will receive a briefing from the FAA later today. East Texas Congressman Nathaniel Moran also speaking on this devastating plane crash. He's posted on X saying in part, quote, "My prayers are with the affected families and those involved in the search and rescue efforts." President Trump also released a statement last night. He says, quote, "May God bless their souls. Thank you for the incredible work being done by our first responders." Of course, this is a breaking news story, and we're going to be following it throughout the morning for you. Stay with us on air and on our digital platforms. We'll bring you the latest updates as we learn more.